Too high. Have you been skipping your maths again?
Duh, you know how it is.
Trick or treat. Are you having a senior moment here? Memory problems and high pressure.
Hush! You know nothing about my pressure and its crushing power. Can't you see my storms? Compared to your surface, you barely have any.
I see you're wearing your costumes. Great job. Happy Halloween. Hey, Mars, what's with your costume?
I don't need any costumes. I'll dress like myself and scare you with my storms. Ooh. And that pressure? Nothing I haven't seen before. I'm a planet too, you know. And I'm young and hot. Unlike Jupiter. So, what crushing forces do you have there?
Duh, smartass.
Oh.
Jupiter is a gas giant and you have absolutely different body parts.
Different body parts? Is something missing in my body?
You are a rocky planet, just like me, Mercury, and Earth. Each of us has a boiling hot core, a layer of hot rock called the mantle, and a thin layer of solid rock, the crust, just like chocolate on the ice cream.
And how is Jupiter different? He doesn't have chocolate?
Earth, we're going to Neptune to get ice cream. Trick or treat!
You may say so. I don't have any chocolate anymore. I'm a gas giant. I don't have any solid surface. Just gases swirling over my solid core.
You gotta cool down too.
Well. You say that my core is hot?
Like my reflection in the mirror.
Duh, but how hot is it exactly? Am I the planet with the hottest core?
You wish.
I gotta check. Wanna make a bet? Earth, come here!
Why are you dashing around as if all your candies have been taken away?
Guess what? My core is the hottest in the entire solar system. And no, it was me who got all the candies, and I'll get even more.
No way your core is so hot.
Wanna compete?
Let's do it. Who's gonna be the referee?
Oh, here's your Earthling.
Be careful. Don't spook him.
Hey, little guy. Is he broken?
I told you to be quiet and not to scare him. Look, we're having a competition. What do you say? Who is hotter, Mars or me?
Walk on my surface. Then trick or treat.
See what you've done to my Earthling? Trick or treat? Okay. Your argument is silly. The sun has the hottest core in the solar system. Its temperature is about 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, it's our superstar. But if we're talking about us planets, and if we're talking about just planets, planet with the hottest core in the solar system is Jupiter. His core heats up to 43,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
This old-timer in the ghost costume? No! Anyway, at the moment, my core is made up entirely of candies, so I don't care how hot it is.
Duh! Each of his planets has a core. But gas giants, unlike us material guys, don't have the mantle, crust, or any solid surface. Just gases swirling around their cores, if you know what I mean.
That's wild!
And there are also ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. They kinda have the mantle, but it's a bit slushy. And surprise, surprise, icy cold.
Poor things. Obviously, it's much better to be a hot and tough thing like me. Plus, I bet they haven't gathered any sweets.